Good morning. I'm going to show you on Studies Weekly how to manage your classes. The first thing you need to do is click the tab that says Classes. Once that pops open, if you had students in Studies Weekly last year, you're going to see that you have two options here. The first one is you can delete the class altogether, or you can just manage that student's publication. So if I went to my class last year, 2019-2020 Reyes class, I see my student right there, Delaney Reyes. She was assigned 2 publications. And so if I want to update that, I just where it says assign, and I can either turn all of them off, I can turn all of them on, or I can just go and pick and choose. So I'm going to take away kindergarten, and if she's in first grade this year, then I'm going to go ahead and just add those first grade tabs. And it's kind of that easy. I go back to manage students. I see I still have Delaney Reyes. I went in to assign my publications. Then you need to actually go to publications. And if I assigned her first grade, then I need to make sure and go to that first grade publication and make sure the tests are on there. Okay, my first grade publication opened up. I can see that all of the tests are off because last year I had only assigned her kindergarten. So I see that all my articles are ready to go, and I see that all my tests are not. I could do one thing. I can either assign it one at a time, or I can choose the on button and activate all of the tests. If you want a sneak peek, you can look at the student edition, which is the newspaper article, the teacher edition, where you can find daily lesson plans, and there's also the wheel right here for actions. You can edit the test and the test scores. The test will automatically grade any multiple choice, but it will not grade short answer. So if you'd like to edit the test to make sure they're all multiple choice, true or false, you can go ahead and do that. You can also add questions there as well. So I went ahead and I toggled it on. So now I've got my first grade publication and all the tests are activated. Now that's the first grade publication for history. You need to make sure and do that for the first grade publication for science as well. So I would just repeat the steps with science. I clicked the Science Studies Weekly for first grade, and I went ahead and toggled it on. And then all of my tests for first grade science are on. So voila, my kindergartner from last year now has first grade publication and has all of the tests for science and history.